Knee pain, horrible. You can't stand properly, you can't walk, it might even hurt you at night time, giving you that horrible ache down the leg. Might even be swollen as well, and obviously it interferes with every movement that you make, because the knees take up to 5 times your weight as you stand and increases as you walk. The knee is such a simple joint, it's a hinge joint. And being a hinge joint, it looks simple, but it's so complicated in the sense that it has so many muscles to help it to work. You have these 4 muscles, which are the quad muscles. You have the hamstrings, of which there are 2 heads which attach down here as well. And the problem is that those 4 muscles, when any of those muscles are tight, they're in different layers, they are going to create tension on the patella, because the patella, which is this bone here, is embedded in the patellar tendon. So if the muscle is tight, it's going to be causing sort of the bone to do that and grind, and you're going to end up with arthritis in the back of the knee. So what can be done about it? Well, let's have a look. So we have a knee here that is slightly swollen, and the best thing that you can do is loosen the muscles top and bottom. So what that means is you must work on the quad, you must work on the hamstring, and you must work on the calf, because all those muscles are what are causing compression of the joint, plus a little muscle here called the popliteus. So heat and stretching, so important. So one of the stretches I'm going to show you very quickly today is this one. You do not want to be doing this, because by doing this you're going to fall over more likely and you're going to hurt yourself. So this is a good stable way of doing it. Put pillows underneath your stomach so that you're not collapsing your spine. Take a towel, bring the towel up here. Paul, would you mind holding this for me? And then all you're going to do is pull up and bring the knee up. Come over here for me and let's see this. So we're bringing the knee up as much as you can. Obviously not into pain. Every exercise, golden rule, you only take it to the point just before pain. And this is so important. Now, one of the things you can do with it, thank you Paul, is put a hot water bottle underneath here first. So you warm up the muscle, and you do that for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Right, so you warm up the muscle before you stretch it. You're going to get more of a stretch out of it, and you're not going to hurt as much. So, Dr. Sandhu, Bedford Chiropractic Clinic, if you've got knee problems, you know where to come. We will find the source of the problem and get it fixed. Bedford Chiropractic Clinic, why live in pain? Give us a call today. Speak to you soon.